Today, what I have for you is a 1988 SMC Promo Deluxe, probably relabeled Bahama due to the blue, robin's egg blue finish. Overall, it's a pretty cool little fan. I don't know if this globe's original, but it's kind of a neat looking globe. Still both of the original SMC fobs. Non-reversible blades. The SMC tag. Yeah, pretty cool little fan. Got it from Habitat for like $10. Start off on low. Of course, the globe buzzes. Pushes pretty decent air. It's got a pretty steep blade pitch for a cheap little spinner. Go to medium. It's pretty fast. Blue's pretty good air. And here's high. Shakes a little bit. Blades are a little bit warped. But this thing hauls. Guess let's go for spin down. It's an SMC with surprisingly good bearings.